So, what do you do if you're working as a professional organizer and your client will not get rid of anything? And of course, they're looking to you for advice and guidance on how to organize a very cluttered home. Hi, I'm professional organizer Katherine Lawrence, and I help you live a life with less clutter so you can have space for the things that truly matter. In today's video, I'm sharing strategies I've developed working as a professional organizer since 2002, and the types of services I provide to my clients who may resist letting go of what others perceive as clutter. Working as a professional organizer, you are going to visit homes that contain a lot of stuff, and clients are going to turn to you for a solution. But often your clients can be reluctant to let go of things, even though we know our job would be much easier if our clients were managing fewer things. So my first bit of advice to you is to simply take a deep breath and acknowledge that not everyone is looking to become a minimalist. And your client may not see the benefit or value in having fewer things in their home. I have a 3-step process that I use on all my organizing projects, which I call GDP. That stands for step 1, gather and sort like items. Step 2, make decisions. And step 3, put away items in an orderly fashion. I would absolutely never go into someone's home and start by recommending that they get rid of a lot of things. And I recommend that you do the same, that you first gather and sort like items and then question your client on if they want to keep things. You don't want to come in all aggressive or judgmental. You simply want to show them that they may own 10 umbrellas or 4 can openers, 2 of which are broken. Sometimes just bringing this awareness to the items people own may naturally allow them to reduce the number of possessions they have, which will make the put away process much simpler. Always guide your clients through the reduction process as the second step, not the first. This will save everyone a lot of time and frustration. The next thing I want you to do is simply be honest with your client. You can help them bring awareness to the fact that sometimes things simply will not fit or be easily accessible. It may be unsafe to keep large collections of things on the floor or on the top shelves of closets. Let them know it's okay to keep things that they find useful or that they love, but I think it's also part of your job as a professional organizer to educate them about accessibility, safety, and storage. Something I find myself saying on jobs sometimes is, well, you can keep it, but you can't keep it here. This is relevant if your client wants to store your photographs in a damp basement or a hot attic, or stacks of paperwork near the stove in a kitchen. As organizers, we can educate our clients on proper storage of items and those safety issues by rearranging things in their home, even when they are reluctant to let go of things or have large collections of things that they want to keep. My third bit of advice to you is to simply be a mirror for your clients' feelings by bringing awareness to the negative emotional reasons that they are keeping things. Often the reason that people keep things is out of fear or guilt or shame and attachment to the past. Now, I know we are not therapists, but I think it's perfectly acceptable to talk to your clients about how these feelings may lead to them holding on to things that don't particularly spark joy. And I think if you feel comfortable having these conversations, that is a great way to help your client move through the process. My clients will say that they feel guilty getting rid of something that was given to them as a gift. Now, I'm not going to force them to get rid of that item, but I will bring awareness to that feeling by having a deeper conversation with them. I may ask, are there other items in your home that you feel guilty letting go of? Or if they've ever let go of an item that caused them guilt and how they dealt with it. I just want my clients to feel comfortable expressing those feelings of fear and shame and guilt and anxiety or that attachment to the past. and let them know that having those feelings is part of the decluttering process and creating a more organized and ideal life. There are just a little bit of growing pains as they're making this transition. And you can be there as their organizer to hold their hand, to be their cheerleader, and occasionally a shoulder to cry on. I would love to hear about where you are in your business and how things are going with your clients. You can put your questions in the comments of this video. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos on downsizing, decluttering, and the business of organizing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.